Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create instant slow-mo videos on your Samsung Galaxy device. So with the update of the Galaxy Enhance X app, you can now take any video and instantly apply slow motion effects, even if it wasn't recorded in slow-mo. So the AI-powered system generates extra frames to make that playback buttery smooth. So let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go ahead and open up your Galaxy Store. You want to make sure your Galaxy Enhance app has been updated to the latest version. So go ahead and search for Galaxy Enhance app. Make sure that's been updated. Now, once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to go ahead and choose that video. Let's go ahead and choose this video here. Now I want to go ahead and choose slow-mo. So I can go ahead and choose what frame I want to go ahead and create slow-mo, or I can go ahead and choose the whole video. So I'll tap on slow-mo. And now I can go ahead and press where I want the slow-mo to happen. So I'll go ahead and just keep pressing it. Leave it for a while. Then I'll want slow-mo here as well. And then I'll leave that. So now I've created two slow-mo videos. So I can go ahead and view them. And the other one. And now using that, I can go ahead and save or save it all. So I can choose any of them I like. I can go ahead and save them. Or I can go ahead and share it as well. So this way you can revive your old videos with cinematic slow-mo effects. No need to plan ahead and record in slow-mo. This is great for sports, pets, action shots, or just fun creative shots. So there you go guys, that's how to create instant slow-mo with Galaxy Enhance on your Samsung Galaxy device.